ते बाग लगाए।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे
बनाइयो अपने हम भाई राम राय बड़ी दूर राम मैंने त्यारे बल से बाग लगाए बड़ी दूर राम ने जल्दी से आइयो खेला लगाइयो अपने हाथ राम ने जल्दी से आइयो खेला लगाइयो अपने हाथ बजो भाई राम 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 लगा में बेड़ा पार बजो।
Hare Krishna. So today we are very fortunate to be here with Brahman Godas, Radhika and some Brajbasi Kirtaniyas, and we are installing this, actually inaugurating, it's already installed, the water pump, and it says Jai Shri Krishna and Jai Ambe, Bhavik Vaishnav, South London. This is the third pump from this family. So we are very grateful to them. So Brahman Godas, please explain where we are standing and what kind of flow of pilgrims go through here, and what is the benefit of this installing this water pump here?
Hare Krishna. It's a very nice question to be asked, because we are in a place where is the topmost both in spiritual and material world. This is Radhakund. Just a call out distance from here, the Radhakund is there, and you know this summer is a scorching heat. So now thousands and thousands of people will be walking like a garlands of devotees, pilgrims. So we are providing Radharani's nectar in the form of water to these pilgrims and the local, because those are having resident less, and those are doing the parikrama, and those are having the shops over here. All will be since morning, the whole 24 hours will be get useful. So this Bhavik Vaishnav, we are very fortunate to have this seva on the verge of Radhakund.
What he say that Bhavik Vaishnav, you're very fortunate because this is the topmost place or dam on the planet, not just planet Earth but in the universe. It is explained in Nectar of Instruction that there is no place higher than Radhakund. So, and when we see why Krishna creates a situation like this, whereby there is shortage of water, it is specially done like this by Krishna so that we as devotees, we get the opportunity to do this wonderful service, whereby we give this Amrit in the form of water to many local residents and to the pilgrims here. So I want to thank Brahman Godas here for really working hard day and night to install water pumps. How many water pumps have you installed in the Radhakund area alone?
Here around 30?
Around 30. Okay, very good. So more than 30 water pumps, and we are also happy to announce that our Sankalp of establishing 108 water pumps on the Brajmandal Parikrama is completed, and now we are going to local places like this where there is dire need of water, and we are going to call them Brajdham water pumps. So you will see on your document it will say Brajdham water pump number 1, number 2, like that. And we have 1100 villages that we have to cover, and we want to put at least 4 water pumps in each village. So we have a lot of work to do.
So this is BD5.
This is BD5. This is Brajdham 5. So we are already on the road. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that.
राधे राधे। राधे राधे। बाबा, हम लोग का भाग्य है, हम ये सेवा में आप उद्घाटन में भाग लिए हैं, तो आप सबसे पहले आप अपना नाम परिचय दीजिए। आपका नाम?
मेरा शंकरदास जी। शंकरदास।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
राधाकुंड ही जन्म हुई है।
जय हो ग्रामवासी। तो आप वैसे क्या सेवा क्या करते हैं आप?
अब मैंने गिरिराज जी की 151 की लेट के 2 परिक्रमा लगाई हैं, दंडवती परिक्रमा लौट के 2 लगाई हैं। अच्छा, 13 साल में लगी।
Saying is that he is a resident of Radhakund here, and twice he has done Dandavas Parikrama. That means Danda means you go fall flat on the ground, and then you get up and then you do the next steps like that, and you go all around roughly 21 kilometers doing this Parikrama. ये कितना टाइम लगा था आपको?
13 साल।
13 साल. So it took 13 years to do it twice. This is what is called real austerity, and austerity for the benefit for the soul's advancement to the spiritual world. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बाबा.
तो अभी जो है उनका जो भी सेवा की भाविक वैष्णव जो है सेवा की उनका आशीर्वाद
बहुत अच्छा है, सेवा किया है। परिक्रमा में पानी पीने के लिए लोगों के काम आएगा। अच्छा पानी है, बढ़िया पानी, अच्छी सुविधा है।
अच्छा तो राधा रानी से प्रार्थना क्या है?
राधा रानी की कृपा है, जो भी हो रहा है वो राधा रानी की कृपा से ही हो रहा है,
जय हो, जय हो।
गंगा जी की कृपा से हो रहा है।
राधे राधे। हरे कृष्णा। बाबा आपका शुभ नाम?
देवकी नंदन दास,
देवकी नंदन दास। आप कहाँ के रहने वाले?
राधा कुंड जन्मभूमि।
जय हो, राधा कुंडवासी की जय। तो आप वैसे क्या सेवा क्या करते हैं आप?
पहले दंडोती थी 108 की कलराज जी की, फिर अब मैं रामायण भागवत पाठ करूँ।
पाठ करते हैं आप? So this is Devkinandan Das, beautiful name, very divine name, and he has also done the parikrama, Dandavati parikrama of Govardhan, and now he is reciting kathas and preaching. Preaching is the essence in life, and so he is very blessed to be in Radhakund, and he is preaching. Wonderful service, बहुत अच्छी सेवा कर रहे हैं।
और
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
सरोवर पे खूब करी थी,
हाँ जी।
सब बाबा लोग सुनते, परिक्रमा सुनते, और आपका धन्यवाद है कि हम ब्रज जने, जे भी हम ब्रज जने तो यहाँ आए कि नहीं, हमने जन्म लिया, ये भाग्य है, आपका भी भाग्य है, जो नल पानी साफ बढ़िया मीठा लगाते राधा रानी की धन्यवाद और तुम्हारी धन्यवाद।
So very wonderful preaching is doing, saying that these local residents are very fortunate to be born here, no doubt about that, because anyone who's born in Radhakund, they don't have to take birth again. Secondly, saying that we as a team are also very fortunate that we're getting this opportunity to do the service here. And the donor, Bhavik Vaishnav, he is very privileged that his donation is being utilized to install a water pump and serve thousands of pilgrims and Brajbasis. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
बाबा सेवा करता रहे, आशीर्वाद है हमारे को भी, बाबा हमको बहुत दिलाता है, और तुम भी खुश रहो, नल लगवाते रहो। जय बेटी।
आए बड़ी दूर राम मैंने त्यारे बलते बाग लगाए बड़ी दूर राम ने जल्दी से आइयो खेला लगाइयो अपने हाथ राम ने जल्दी से आइयो केला